Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariha Suhail. Today we are going to be unboxing this huge box full of Pixi products that I won in a giveaway by a wonderful content creator. Her name is Stacy Lee and I'm so very grateful to you for sending this over to me. So let's check out what we've got here. Oh, she's also included a card here that says my name. Oh, it's a handwritten note. She says, enjoy the Pixi products and thank you so much for supporting and watching my channel. Oh, you're welcome. You're most welcome. So let's see what's inside. Ah, it's a drawstring makeup bag. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus used to come in bags like this, but they don't make it anymore. I'm so glad to receive this bag. It's so nice to store makeup and stuff. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, we have this Rose Radiant Perfector. It has a lot of skincare ingredients in it, like hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and rose water. Oh, I love the scent of rose. I'm actually wearing these underneath my foundation today, and I think it's more suited to white skin because it can utilize the rosacea. It comes out as pink, but doesn't really have a tint to it, and I think it does make the skin glowy. This is a sheer rosy face lotion to highlight and add glow to the face. It is basically a lotion, I guess. It says that it can be used solo or under makeup for added complexion perfection. Well, my complexion isn't as perfect to be used solo. I'm gonna mix it with my foundation. Next up, we have this Flawless Beauty Primer. It says it's a highlighting glow primer. I'm also wearing this underneath my foundation today, and boy is this glowy. It gives a duochrome highlighter kind of glow to the face. As you can see the difference here when applied to half of the face, and this is how my complete face looked like when I applied it, and I think it turned out great, especially when I put foundation on top. Then we have this iconic stick blush by Pixi. I think this is their most popular product, so let's check this out. So some people like to apply it directly on the face and some apply it with the brush. So let's apply it on the face. A little bit on the nose. Oh my god, I think I got a little bit too excited. Wow, I think it looks perfect. After that, we have this highlighter. Oh, I think it's broken, but that's all right. We can make that work. So this is how it looks. This is so pretty. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Let's try it on our face as well. Wow. Is it noticeable? I think I put a bit too much on my face, but it's so pretty. After that, we have a lipstick as well. It's a matte liquid lipstick. Oh my god, the color is so intense. Let's check it out anyway. Oh, it has a very beautiful applicator. Should we try it on our lips? Maybe it was a bad idea. This color is not for me, but I had to try it anyway. Okay, so that was all the makeup in the box. Oh my god, we have a lot of skincare as well. Let's see. Wow, that's so much stuff. Oh wow. This is a glow face mask. Then we have a whole pack of eye masks here. Oh, it's sealed. I'm so excited to use these. Then we have this Botanical Collagen Eye Cream. Oh, it's so nice. So much stuff for the eyes. Then we have this Clarity Concentrate Clarifying Serum. Oh, that seems really nice. Maybe that will clear out all the marks on my face. Oh, then we have this Pixi Glow Tonic as well. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. Wow, it's so cute. Look how precious. It's a glow tonic. It's an exfoliating toner and it's so precious. After that, we have got some more skincare as well. Wow. Wow. First of all, we have this Clarity Cleanser. I'm actually out of my cleanser and I was so anxiously waiting for this box to arrive so that I can start using this one. It's also a clarifying cleanser. Seems like there's a theme going on here. So hopefully all the marks on my face will be gone soon. And last but not least, we have this face lotion over here. It is an oil-free moisturizer and it says here that it is for all skin types. So I'm so excited to try this one as well. So once again, Stacey Lee Beauty, thank you so much for doing this giveaway and sending all this stuff to me. And thank you all so much for watching as well. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.